Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a project on the Explain Everything app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Explain Everything app. Then go to the home page, which is on the left side of the screen, or you can also go to your library, because you can find your project lists on both of these places. Let's go to library now, and at the library, at the projects on your device section, you will see all the projects that you have been working on in the app. Now if you want to delete one of these projects, you just have to tap on these three dots near the project, which is going to open up the profile of the project, where you can see the title of the project, you can share it, you can invite others to your project, you can edit this project, and obviously you can see the details: when this project was created, modified, which is the file size, the number of slides, and the duration of the project. Now to delete it, you just have to tap again on the three dots, now here on the top corner, and as you can see, the delete icon just appeared. But you can also rename, duplicate, or save as a template at the same place. Now we want to delete it. You just have to tap on delete. It's going to ask it again. Tap on delete, and your project is gone. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.